In this tutorial, we're going to cover creating your own custom Autoseries drip campaigns. And I am already assuming that you've watched the previous tutorial about creating and sending bulk emails. In that tutorial, I covered using the email builder in a little bit more detail. So if you have any questions, just go back and watch that previous video. Go ahead and click on Autoseries under the CRM menu. Click Add New. And we're going to come up with a title here, and a little tip is that it fits this sentence. So here is the invite email that we use by default. I think you'll enjoy my email series. It is great for people who are blank. Curious about essential oils, young living members, interested in business building. That's how we use and have named all of our other campaigns. It'll work best if you create a name that fits with that as well. You can choose a message theme using either the basic template or the oils header, and you'll be able to preview your messages along the way. And click Add Scheduled Task, and click Message, Message Subject. The delay on this first message I'm going to set to 0, because when we start the campaign we want this first email to send out right away. I'm going to click Add Row, and here I'm actually going to create my email. So I'm just going to start out by doing a super basic one. Here's some text. Hi. Use a merge tag. And again, if this is all new to you, go back and watch that email about creating messages and sending out bulk messages. There's a lot of other options to choose from, but for this email, I'm just going to leave it as super simple basic text, and we can talk more about the structure here. Add scheduled task, create another message, and on this one, I'm going to set this to 3 business days. Message subject. So continues on like that. You can preview your messages whenever you're ready. Here's my first message. Here's my second message. That's the USA Oils header. Another feature of Autoseries campaigns is that you can add a reminder for yourself. Click Add Scheduled Task and Reminder. And this is going to get included in a summary email to you every day or every week, and it will show the subject and the message body here. It's just a great way to remind yourself to follow up with someone when they've either ended a campaign or maybe reached a specific point in a campaign that you think is important. There are specific merge tags to use for reminders. Reminder contacts is going to give us just their names. You can set the delay on your reminder to send out immediately after the last email, or you can set a longer delay if you want to have a reminder to follow up with them at a later time. That's all there is to it to actually creating your Autoseries. Now when you go to publish it, you're going to see publish privately and publish publicly. Publishing your Autoseries privately means that it will only show on your dashboard and you'll be able to add people to it, but on your public forms on your website, it will not be visible. If you set it to publish publicly, it means that someone can come to your website, click on Join My Email List, and they'll see your sign up form here. These messages that are public privately are showing up right now because I am logged in. If I was logged out, you would only see these published publicly Autoseries. If you're not ready to publish your Autoseries, click Save as Draft, and you can come back to it later. There are 2 settings related to Autoseries that I'll tell you about. Under CRM and Settings, you can change the schedule for when your Autoseries will send. So you set a delay of 3 business days, 7 business days, whatever you wanted it to be, 7 days, but it will always conform to this schedule. So right now the default is Monday through Friday, and you can set a time as well. So if you wanted to only send during business hours, you can do that. Also, you can choose how often you get your reminders. The default is daily, but if you don't have time to follow up every day and you would rather just have one checklist to work off every week, you can select weekly instead and choose what day of the week you would like your reminders to be sent. You can even select the time of day that you would like your reminder to be sent. Just remember to click Update when you're finished.